Hey and welcome back everybody. Today we will remove the headlights, parking lights and turn signals and remove the grille of an 80 series. Maybe you need to change your bulbs, maybe you want to install just new headlights for better look, and maybe you just flooded the whole truck like I did and all your lights are shot in an aquarium like in my case. Whatever your reason is, just make sure everything you touch is more or less clean, so just use that pressure washer. That makes the process way easier and less messy. The tools you need for this job is a 10mm wrench, a 10mm 1/4" socket, 1/4" ratchet, a 1/4" extension, a Phillips head screwdriver. I also do recommend to check the condition of the bolts before, so you can order new ones if necessary. If they are rusty, consider to replace or upgrade to stainless steel bolts. In any case, I like to use copper grease or cable grease on the threads to keep them nice and rust-free for the future. At first I start with removing the batteries. That's not necessary, I only remove them for a complete recharge at home since my alternator also broke down. Especially if you never worked on your vehicle electrics before, I still recommend you remove at least both battery connections on both batteries just to be safe than sorry. All your bolts should be 10mm on the terminals as well as on the brackets. Next we go ahead and grab the Phillips head screwdriver and remove the top screws, which hold the parking light housings in place. Then you should be able to wiggle them out if you want to. The bulb socket can be removed simply by turning the socket out of the housing. I proceed to remove the screws on the grille since I will remove all headlight housings anyway. After those two screws, you can pull out the grille after you pinch the clip in the center. We now grab our trusty 1/4" ratchet and 10mm socket and undo the two top bolts on the left and right high-low beam housings. Depending on your preference, some bolts can be easier accessed with something like a ring gear wrench, like in my case. After you are done removing those bolts, grab again the Phillips head and remove two screws on each turn signal light housing. They should come out pretty easy. It's amazing how much water did come into those housings. So leave me a comment if you'd like to see how those headlights can be modified to prevent flooding. If you already did such a mod, it would be great to hear from you how you did the modification down in the comments below. Behind you'll find the last bolts for the headlights where I used the socket and extension on the 1/4" ratchet. And yeah, that's it, congratulations, you've stripped the front of your truck. If you liked this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you loved it. I do all kinds of tutorials and repairs and mods on Land Cruisers, and if you have any wishes for the future episodes, just let me know in the comments. Take care and have a great day!